Welcome, SofTappers! Today we're going to be talking about the SofTap 18 round. What is the 18 round used for? It is used for eyelash enhancements, for lip liner, for lightening procedures, and for scar camouflage and areola.
It's great for upper lash enhancement, but you can also use it for a medium to thick lower lash enhancement. Usually we like the 8 round a little bit better for that, just because it's a bit softer looking. But if
and a little thinner.
Yeah, a little thinner. But if you want a little bit thicker, more defined look, then you can also use the 18 round for a lower lash enhancement. We'll show you a little bit now on a practice pad how to use the 18 for eyeliner and for lips.
Demo time.
Demo time!
Okay, so here is our 18 prong. We're gonna do a lip starting in the corner. We're gonna do the upper edge first, and then we're gonna travel down to the lower edge. We're precise tapping about 30 times per spot. And we're tapping right underneath of a lip line that I created with a 7 prong. Now this is how you would actually do a lip. You outline with a 7 or a 10, and then you fill in with an 18 prong, about 30 taps per spot. Now this does take a little while, so we're gonna speed it up here. Tapping underneath the lip line about 30 times per spot does take some time, but it is definitely worth it. You get a really beautiful, clean lip line out of this. So here we are coming to the other corner. Now we're going to gently follow the curve of the lip, and we're going to continue down, trying to keep the fill really close to that line that we created with the 7 prong. This color is Jamaican rum, and it's really pretty. You can mix it with Sweet 16 about 50-50 if you want to make it pinker and use it for your clients. It's a really gorgeous color. Now here we are just filling in a little bit more. We're overlapping our needle strokes just a little bit to make sure that we don't have any gaps. Okay, so we also want to make sure that we don't leave sort of a floating line in between where we're filling with the 18 and where we previously filled with the 7. So we really want to keep it nice and close on that line there. Now we're finishing up on our first pass. Really soon we're going to wipe it and check for any little gaps. Okay, so here we are. So we have a couple little places where we need to fill in color a little bit more. We call these holidays, or places where color is missing. So on this second pass here, I'm travel tapping, and what that is I'm allowing myself to move a little bit more, because I already did the majority of the work on the first pass. So it's kind of like painting. We're adding a little bit of color here, a little bit of color there. We're just filling in anywhere where it needs it, just to smooth things out and give our client a really nice lip line. You can turn the needle upside down if you need to fit, and here we go. Nice and smooth.
In summary, the 18 is best used for small areas that you want a really nice defined look with soft edges, such as the eyeliner or the lip liner, feathering under a lip liner.
The 18 is also very beginner friendly. It's great for scar camouflage. It is essential for paramedical procedures, and it's been a favorite of our company for over 20 years.
If you have any other uses for the 18 that you love, please let us know in the comment section. We'd love to hear about them. We always love hearing about the unconventional ways that you guys like to use our needles.
All right, that's all that we have for you for today. Please like, share, subscribe, let us know what you'd like to see next, and send the 18 along to another technician who might be interested in learning more about SofTap. It's a really wonderful needle, and it's a great example of how our round sizes can really fit a lot of needs for professionals. And until next time, happy tapping.